I'm not really sure how we should be approaching this last problem.
It kind of looks like the heat of vaporization problem we were doing in class. I just don't think that he gave us an equation for this type of problem.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we have to derive it. He said something about that in class, right? He just gave us the general form and for us to use.
That sounds right.
Are you guys sure about that? I can look it up in the textbook, I mean, if you want.
Yeah, Jane, we know you don't like to derive equations and would rather just look them up, but I really don't think that's a good idea here.
Besides, there's 1,000 special cases and we can't memorize the equations for all of them.
I mean, this is why we have the internet, though.
I guess we could, but I don't want to be looking up equations for every problem we come across. I'd rather know how they work, you know?
Look, you guys do it your way, I'll do it mine. My way's just going to take a lot shorter, and the answer is going to be exactly the same.
Okay, well, if we're just going to work on it separately, then there's really no point in staying here. I'm going to head out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hold on. Before you go, can I see your note card for the exam tomorrow?
Yeah.
I haven't written
Do you
mine
need
yet.
any help reviewing?
No, I'll give it back to you before the test starts.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're doing this wrong.
What do you mean?
You can't just go hunting for all the equations you want.
It's so easy. All you have to do is plug and chug, and you'll get it 50% of the time.
Tonight you'll be visited by 3 engineering spirits. If you don't heed their warnings, then you'll end up with as many equations as I do.
That's so stupid. Oh, this can't be real.
It is, unfortunately. I am the ghost of engineering past, and I'm here to show you where everything went wrong. When you were back in 205, you actually cared about working the problem.
This is so dumb.
This problem seems pretty difficult.
I don't know, maybe we can derive an equation of some sort to figure it out. Maybe. This problem's the hardest I've ever done.
There's too many parts.
Guys, there's free Krispy Kreme outside.
We're still in the middle of it.
No, you can probably just look up the answer on Yahoo Answers. I'm sure someone else has asked already.
We can still figure it out ourselves.
If you don't want free Krispy Kreme, sure.
I guess maybe just once. Alright, but that was totally worth it. It was Krispy Kreme.
You're making excuses. I'm not the last ghost that will visit you tonight. And hopefully, by the end, you'll realize the error of your ways.
Oh no, you're the second one. The first one warned me about you. Where are we going?
Taking you to an event not too far from the future and not too far away. This right here is 2 days and 4 hours from now.
What's going on?
Take a look.
Why are the lab grade so bad?
Apparently, all of our data is wrong. It looks like we used the wrong equation early on, and I guess that's where we lost all of our points.
But who came up with that equation?
Jane, was it you?
Alright, don't blame me, it was Wikipedia. They gave me the equation.
But the data's all wrong. You mean you didn't know what to derive?
All I had to do was look up the equation and just put it in our lab. That's all.
It's all wrong. It's all wrong now.
But it looked so right.
Oh, you're the ghost of engineering future. What are you here to show me now? What the heck am I wearing?
Enter.
Is this about my latest report? I'm sorry.
Jane, if I wanted toilet paper, I would have gone down to the store and bought it myself.
I'm sorry.
That's all this report is good for. We have $5 million riding on this deal, and you're telling me you can't derive a single equation because no one gave it to you?
I don't understand.
That's your job, Jane. I hired you because I wanted you to be able to figure out these things.
But no one gave me an equation.
I don't care if you derive it from Gibbs' Doom or from the back of a cereal box. I hired you because I wanted you to be able to figure these things out. If I wanted a robot, I would have hired my ex-wife.
Well, I don't know what to do. I could go look for one.
Nope. No. Jane, pack your things. Just put them in a box, car, go.
I've seen the light. I now know that I can't go equation hunting anymore. I really should go clean the air with Spawn Tack.